Wildlife capture and handling are sometimes necessary for research, conservation, or veterinary care. But did you know that the stress of capture can be deadly, even if the animal seems unharmed? 1. What is capture myopathy? Capture myopathy, also known as exertional myopathy, is a severe and often fatal condition caused by extreme stress during capture, restraint, or prolonged chase. It leads to muscle damage, organ failure, and death, even hours or days after the stressful event. First documented in wild animals in the 1960s, it affects species from deer to birds, and even marine mammals. The condition is similar to what happens in humans during extreme physical exhaustion, like rhabdomyolysis. 2. The science behind it. When an animal is chased or restrained, its body releases stress hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. This triggers a fight-or-flight response, causing extreme muscle exertion. The muscles break down, releasing toxic proteins like myoglobin into the bloodstream. This can lead to kidney failure, heart damage, and metabolic collapse. In many cases, death occurs within 24 to 72 hours. According to a 2018 study in the Journal of Wildlife Diseases, up to 30% of captured animals may die from capture myopathy, depending on species and capture methods. 3. Which animals are at risk? While any animal can develop capture myopathy, some are more vulnerable, including hoofed animals like deer and antelope, especially during helicopter captures. Birds of prey, when trapped for tagging. Marine mammals, like dolphins stranded during rescue operations. Even zoo animals undergoing routine medical exams can be at risk if not handled carefully. 4. Symptoms and diagnosis. How do you know if an animal has capture myopathy? Look for these signs. Early stage, stiffness, tremors, rapid breathing, dark urine from muscle breakdown. Advanced stage, collapse, paralysis, organ failure, sudden death. Veterinarians diagnose it through blood tests, high CK enzyme levels, and urine analysis, myoglobinuria. Unfortunately, by the time symptoms appear, it's often too late. 5. Prevention and treatment. The best approach is prevention. Wildlife experts recommend minimizing chase time, short, efficient captures reduce stress. Using sedation, drugs like tranquilizers can lower stress responses. Proper handling, avoiding overheating and keeping the animal in a quiet, dark space. If caught early, treatments like 4 fluids, anti-inflammatories, and muscle relaxants may help, but survival rates remain low. 6. Real-world cases. In 2016, a mass mortality event in South Africa saw over 30 antelopes die after a helicopter capture operation. Necropsies confirmed capture myopathy. Even in zoos, a 2020 case study in Veterinary Record showed a giraffe dying hours after a routine health check due to undetected stress-induced myopathy. As our understanding grows, so do better practices. Researchers are developing less invasive tracking methods like drones and non-capture monitoring to reduce risks. For veterinarians and wildlife rescuers, education is key. Recognizing stress signals and acting fast can save lives. If you liked the video, don't forget to follow the Vet News channel, like it, share it with those who also love and care for animals, and leave a comment. Your participation is very important so that we can continue producing informative and quality content. If you have any questions, suggestions for topics, or want to exchange ideas, just get in touch. Thank you very much for following along and being part of our community. See you in the next video on Vet News, where knowledge about the animal world never stops.